Hi, I'm Josh Pryor, a senior studying music education here at Shenandoah University. I'll be putting on bachelor's, master's, and doctoral robes to help you get ready for commencement. Starting off with bachelor's, there's only a robe and a mortarboard. You can also wear stoles and cords to represent honors or organizations. We recommend only one stole. Finally, the tassel will stay on the right side, and during commencement, you'll switch it to the left to signify your graduation. Now for the master's robe. The sleeves have a more distinctive bell shape, and just like the bachelor's, you will receive a mortarboard. But since you've already graduated with your bachelor's degree, you will keep the tassel on the left. Another distinctive feature for the master's and doctoral regalia is the hood. The color here reflects the degree. The tail of the hood, in the back, includes colors representing the university that awarded the degree. Of course, in this case, SU has blue and red for the master's and doctoral candidates. There are a few key features to look for with the hood. You'll see the velvet section. This should face forward, coming to a point. The red and blue should be in the back, and you'll notice a similar tab that you'll leave open. When going to a ceremony, you can fold it like this, place it over your arm, and hand it to the person who will hood you. After you hand the hood off, you'll face the audience while the person placing the hood stands behind you. When you put the hood on yourself, take a moment to adjust the hood so it lays properly. Sometimes it can twist or bunch up, so you'll want to make sure it looks neat and comfortable. Adjust it until it sits on the graduate like this, with the hood secured and the colors visible. The doctoral robe has some distinct features to set it apart. Here it has velvet bars, sometimes they're black and sometimes their color reflects the degree earned. Other features of the doctoral robe include its sleeves, which are in a classic bell shape. There are also 3 bars on each side of the arms. The doctoral headgear, known as a tam, comes in lots of different shapes. This is an 8-point tam, but they can also have 4 or 6 points. Since master's and doctoral students have already graduated with their bachelor's degree, the tassel stays on the left. Congratulations! Hopefully now you know how to properly wear our regalia. You've worked really hard to earn your degree, and we want you to look your best as you cross that stage. See you there!